In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a personal blog in Notion. We'll start from a blank page and finish with a clean shareable blog. You can update anytime without touching code. Begin by creating a new page in Notion, then add a database to hold your articles. Choose a gallery view so each post appears as a card with a visual preview. This database is your blog's backbone. It keeps posts organized. Easy to scan and simple to sort later. Give the database a clear name so you always know where your articles live. Next, customize the layout of that gallery. Set the card size to small or medium for a neat grid that's easy to browse. Configure the card preview to show the page cover. This turns each post into a visual tile and helps readers identify content at a glance. Add useful properties to your database. Create tags to group related topics. A date property to track when posts were published. And a description field for a short summary. These details improve navigation and make your blog feel professional and consistent. Now it's time to build out your content. Use the /command/page to create dedicated pages like About Me or Contact. These pages help visitors understand who you are and how to reach you. And they're easy to update over time. Inside any post or page, use /image to add photos or graphics for visual interest and /web bookmark to embed links with rich previews. This keeps your blog interactive and gives readers helpful context without clutter. With content in place, focus on design. Add a cover image to your homepage to set the tone and choose custom icons for pages to make navigation more intuitive. Use /divider to break your homepage into clear sections such as featured posts and recent updates. Keep spacing comfortable and consistent so the page feels calm and readable, and make sure your cover and icons align with your blog's style. When you are ready to share your work, publish it to the web. Click the Share button. Go to the Publish tab and select Publish to Web. Notion will generate a public link that you can share anywhere. Take a moment to open the link in a browser to confirm everything looks the way you expect, and that only the pages you intend to show are visible. That's it, your personal Notion blog is live, organized, and easy to maintain. Update the database with new posts whenever inspiration strikes, and your blog will scale with you. Thanks for watching.